In this video, we're going to show you how to install the vapor canister purge solenoid on your Hyundai Elantra, located on the driver's side of the engine. Now at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and locate our canister solenoid. It's located right here. Now our battery is removed. You can perform this job without removing the battery. However, it is much easier. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this hose right here. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. Going to pinch this and slide this clamp back, pulling this hose off. Using some hose pliers, you can grab a hold of this hose, twist it and pull that off. We have the hose on the bottom side here. We're going to do the same. And once you get that hose off there, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector right here. There's a little pinch tab on the back side. I'm going to pinch that and slide that off. Now the solenoid itself is pressed onto a bracket and it has a rubber insulator. So we're just going to grab this here and just kind of wiggle it and pull it out towards you. And there it is. Now on our new unit here, here's the rubber bushing, and you can see the slit in there. It's pretty tight, and it goes through to the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some spray solvent, and I'm going to spray it into that slit and then push it onto that bracket. The spray solvent does help slide this in. Okay. Now the solenoid is in place, we can go ahead and grab our lower hose here. Go ahead and line that up. And if you want to, using the hose pliers will help tremendously here. You can just grab that and kind of manipulate that right onto that port. I want to make sure that hose is all the way up and fully seated. Go ahead and move our clamp back up. All right. So we have the lower hose on and the clamp in place. Do the same thing here. I'm going to give this hose a quick spray on the inside. Press that right on. Move that clamp down in a position. Go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up, and push it on. You're going to hear and feel it engage. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and install that battery. Now if you happen to have a check engine light on inside the vehicle due to this component here, use a scan tool, go ahead and clear that code, and you're all set to go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.